All right, YouTube update on radio installation. So as you can see, you got to remove all of this plastic for your double dent to fit inside. You're gonna have to remove this too. I am going to try to bend it up and back. I don't know how successful that's gonna be, but if not, then I'm gonna have to get a saw back there and cut it up, and hopefully I don't nick no wires. Nah, I should be okay. But yeah, so you gotta take all that, and then you can see back there your module that sits right here. Just unclip it from the sides of this thing up here and shove it all the way in the back. I wrapped something around it so it doesn't vibrate. So you probably should do the same thing, because it's a lot of plastic up there. If you plan on putting music in your car, you don't want that to be rattling. So just, there's a little cavity, tuck it back up in there. Metro is saying remove this thing too, but I don't think that I'm going to need to remove this. I think I'll probably just leave that where it is. Just move it out the way for the time being, so I can figure out how to remove this thing here. So other than that, that's about it. Also, this is a Wi-Fi module. I see that there is an antenna sitting on there. I don't know if that antenna will work for AM/FM. I don't really listen to radio stations anyway. However, in the kick panel, there is your antenna wire here. I think this is one. This plug from Metro plugs into this black one and to the other one. So once I get the radio put in, I'm going to see which one works best for the antenna. But I also ordered, which you'll have to order, an extension for this to reach from the pillar, from the kick panel, all the way to the radio. So I ordered a 6-foot extension. See how that works. But I'm also going to check to see if this is an antenna too as well. So I don't know. I'm not going to use the Wi-Fi in the car or anything, so I really don't need this, but I'm not going to disconnect it or anything. But if one of the antennas will work, then I'll probably just try to tap into one of these antennas if possible. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But if not, definitely the kick panel. Other than that, I'll come back later with you guys and show y'all an update. Later.